Hello. Happy Monday to all of us. Thank you, Lord, for the another day again and more blessings, good health, wherever we are, whatever you do, where we belong in the different countries, what is our nationality. So thank you so much. And God provide everything, whatever I need. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you the one subscriber that I have. Nag-e-end na ako kasi 1 o'clock na, and then I let to finish first in the dining, and then waiting for Sisi she come. So now thank you so much. Thank you the viewers, thank you the views, thank you the time, thank you for the subscribing, thank you to the total, thank you all, okay? Thank you very much. I always, that's what I'm telling, always and always I'm repeating all my message and all videos that what I have. Thank you so much talaga. And this one is the last time that I make video, this one, including in my video, the chocolate. So it's open already to my, you see, oh, that's one, oh. Different kind of shape. Hindi, forma ba? Hindi yung, hindi yung karne. Okay, oh, tingnan, ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Nice, ako nang kumakain ng iba dyan. Ay, ko talaga naman, oo. So now is the weather is good. Same as usual. Yung na lang yung natirang pagkain namin. Kaya ganon. Ito, wala pang nagbubuka si Sir Dang nito. Ang mahilig kumain talaga. Ayan. Okay, at saka ito rin, ako rin kumakain. And what's that? Makukuha nga tayo nito ulit. Patikim, pakain ulit, pakain. Ubos na yung, ito pala yan, oh. Diba? Eh, kasi pag hindi mo kainin yan, aabotin pa yan ng next year. Ano ba yan? Kaya kakainin na lang natin para ano. So, tingnan natin yung weather ngayon. Mga taong nagbibilong sa different countries. God bless us all. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung weather na yun. Very hot. Super hot. Same as usual. Wala namang pagbabago. Laging mainit ang panahon kasi winter time. Ganun talaga pag winter, no? O, diba? Hello. Masarap yung chocolate. At saka salamat talaga. Thank you for giving me a consideration of my live YouTube company. To all YouTube workings, mga staff, and especially to the founder of the different YouTube company in the different countries also. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you so much. And that you are giving me chance to continue and to gain my, my small beginning of my channel that what I have. Okay, so thank you again, and God bless us all, and happy Monday, all of us, to my all families, both side ng nanay tatay ko, ang kantuangkan, my brother. Good luck, Brad, sa mga plano mo, at sa mga sister-in-laws ko. Congratulations, Ate Jalel, and good luck Kiking for your making a first step in the universities, and good luck also Kakay for the last senior high school, and the beginner of my bunsong niece. Good luck. Magtiyaga ka sa pag-aaral, Rinsona. because Papa is not with you already, okay? And to all hometown, and you know who you are, and all of them is almost social media already. And to all those people that you are still helping to me from the beginning of my blogger, from the one subscriber until now, subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, and all of them. And you know who you are, that you are part of my journey while I'm making my small channel, and to my journey while I'm working as OFW. Thank you so much talaga to all my employer, to my madam and sir, their family both side, and to Sisi, and thank you that you are giving open-minded from the bottom of your heart, that you are helping to share with me your blessings to me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, and bye bye.